Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by turning on the essentials: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on your Android, because Nearby Share uses all three for discovery and transfer speed. Open Settings Google Device Connections Nearby Share and toggle it on, then set visibility to a temporary broad option so your laptop can detect you. Once done, open Nearby Share on your laptop or the Quick Settings panel on Chrome OS. Sign in if required, so both endpoints are actively advertising and ready to pair. You pick the files now. In Gallery or Files, tap Share and choose Nearby Share because this combines speed and security. Your phone will scan and show device names. Select your laptop. On the laptop, accept the incoming pairing or verification prompt. This step securely confirms you own both devices. Make sure transfer settings like high quality versus data saving match what you want. Once you hit send, monitor progress. Nearby Share will negotiate the fastest path: Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, or WebRTC. You finish by accepting the transfer on your laptop. Files typically land in downloads or the folder you chose, so open your file manager and verify. If the transfer completes, confirm integrity by opening a sample file. If a transfer stalls, cancel and retry with both devices closer together and screens unlocked, because distance and locks often block discovery. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are toggled off and on again. Verify visibility settings, and install any pending system updates to resolve compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.